Welcome to another segment of Working Through the Weekend. I'm Spencer with Townline Equipment. This weekend we're going to use our Kubota L2501 with a grapple on the front and this Wallenstein tow behind chipper to clean up some debris that we knocked down around our garden. The reason for this work is to improve some of the sunlight for our vegetables and also to get rid of some dead wood that was a hazard. So come along with us as we complete this weekend's projects. So this Wallenstein tow behind chipper is pretty unique because it has a feature that's called IntelliFeed. IntelliFeed is where the drum itself has a load sensor and it regulates how much wood is fed in with the hydraulic rotors. Wallenstein is a company that makes these tow behind style, and they also make all of our 3-point hitch chippers. A 3-point hitch chipper is a great piece to add to your existing tractor because it's going to give you the versatility to go anywhere in the woods. The trail doesn't have to be smooth enough to drag something out into the woods. Also, with it being on your tractor, you're able to kind of maze your way through existing trees that you might want to leave behind. Also, since the chippers run off your 3-point hitch, you're taking all the power of your tractor and putting it right to that rotor drum. So on a 30 horsepower, we can put like a 5-inch. On our most common tractor, the 7060, Wallenstein makes a fabulous hydraulic feed 7-inch chipper. If you are someone that is considering purchasing a grapple for your tractor, there's a couple considerations to make sure you end up with a product that is going to meet the expectations you have. So grapples themselves require an item called third function. It's where the tractor now has auxiliary hydraulic power up to the front, and it's off of your loader control. You'll have 2 buttons that operate the open and close. A nice feature with third function on almost all Kubotas is you can run the open and close simultaneously while curling the bucket. So you're not sacrificing any of your loader control when you install third function. Grapples themselves come in a variety of styles. For our commercial guys with skid steers, there are material grapples where it'll be a flat skeletonized floor with fingers with 2 independent arms that come down. Those are great for any type of construction debris. For our average homeowner, large farm, woods work though, we really like these root rake / clam grapples because they give you the ability to reach down on top of the material you want to move and almost surgically pinch it and take it away. So that completes another episode of Working Through the Weekend. If you found any of this work something you'd be interested in doing, whether it's grabbing, pinching, raking with a grapple, or clearing some land or trails with a chipper, please reach out to us. For more episodes like this, visit our Facebook page or our YouTube channel, Townline Equipment. Next weekend, we'll finally get some posts in the ground, build some trellises, and get back to gardening. Thank you. Have a good day.